Ladies and gentlemen, if you saw my last video, that one, you saw me solve the Rubik's Cube. Now, I'm going to be solving another one. I'll be solving this one in this video. I know what you're thinking. You're like, man, another video of you solving another Rubik's Cube? Well, the last video I solved a 3x3. Count it. 1, 2, 3. In this video, I'll be solving 4. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm thinking about quitting my job and becoming a professional cuber. Okay, so I solved a 3x3, but yo, anybody can solve a 3x3. So, to prove myself, if I can solve 4x4, I'll think about quitting my job. Now, this one's already intact. Every color is there. Now, let me just scramble it to get it started. Okay, I guess that's pretty good, right? Scrambled pretty good. Okay, here's the 4x4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the 3x3. 3, 4. All right. The neighbors are staring at me. They think I'm doing something weird. Here we go. Let's go. All right. So, should I talk about something while I'm doing this? I guess so. Let's see what's going on. So I just recently saw that movie, The Green Mile. It's an old movie that came out like years ago. First time watching it, and I was like, I saw it on, I don't know, one of the streaming devices. And gotta say, it was a good movie. That's it. That's all I'm gonna talk about. That was it. Okay. Okay, this is probably gonna take me a while. Hopefully it won't take me an hour. Okay, Okay, what else? What else is going on? Oh yeah, let me talk about my job. My job that I got, you probably know where I work at. I'm not gonna say where, but in my past videos you've seen. You know, you've seen the logo of my company on my uniform. I'm pretty sure you know where I live. Where I work. So, in that last video, when I solved the 3x3, during that video, I don't know if you remember, I said, man, I should quit my job and become a professional cuber. I think that's what these people are called, cubers, the one that solve these things in like 3 seconds. Yeah. So this is a test right here. I solved the 3x3 like nothing. And if I can solve this, yo, I'm definitely going to quit my job and become a professional cuber. And the tournaments, I'm gonna enter some of the tournaments. Some of the tournaments are like in Taiwan. I just got to get my what is that thing called? That thing to travel into other countries. I can't think of it right now. But yeah, I need that. This part's gonna take a while. But yeah, I'm gonna enter the tournaments, win millions of dollars, and get rich off of cubing. You know what it is. Another thing that's it's like I'm wearing this hoodie and it's like hot as hell out here. I don't know why I wore this hoodie out here. I think I just brought it because it looks cool. And the Lakers just won last night. And they won game 4 against the Grizzlies. And I don't know, I just wanted to bring it out here so you can be like, oh, that guy's like a Laker fan. But yeah. Oh yeah, go back into the cubing thing. If I can solve this, I'm gonna quit my job and become a professional cuber. I hear the next tournament is in California for the Rubik's tournament, and I'm gonna enter that. Quit my job, travel over there, enter the tournament, and I think the winning prize is like, I think I saw $10,000. Yeah, no joke, $10,000. Now, how I'm gonna get over there, I don't know. But my job where I work, I think I've saved enough money for situations like this to get me over there, you know, so I can survive with like the hotels and the driving. Oh crap, I just messed this up. There we go, fixed it. Man, I'm at 7.5 minutes already since this video started. Okay. Look at this. I'm like rotating the cube looking for the color I need. And those professional cubers, they would have already finished this already. But yeah, I'm still looking for the color I need. I'm looking for red, yellow. Do you see it anywhere? Red, yellow. There it is. But yeah, tournament in California. The winning prize is $10,000. I'm gonna win that money and continue doing cubing and enter more tournaments. You know what I'm saying? Okay, man, my mind is jacked. How far am I on? I just approached 10 minutes. My neighbors are still there. They're watering their yard. I think I'm crazy because I don't know if they can see the phone that I'm recording on, but they probably think I'm crazy because from their angle, probably looks like I'm talking to myself. Okay, I screwed up like 3 times already. It's not easy remembering the algorithms to solve these things. There's like so many. Man, if I'm gonna win the cubing tournament, I gotta be quicker than this. I'm still looking for the color I need. There we go. So again, if you're just tuning in, this is a 4x4 that I'm solving, not a 3x3. I think someone's on my porch watching me, trying to like get me to mess up doing this, and they just did. Yep. Damn. Okay, that's the 4th time I messed up already. So what, 4x4x4, that's for like 96 colors on here. In my peripheral vision, I can see that my cat is right behind the camera. He's right there. He's very close to the camera. My cat's name is Gail. You know, Gail Weathers, author of the Woodsboro Murders. If you know, you know. If you don't, then sue me. Okay, I'm doing a lot of talking. I'm just gonna speed it up until I eventually solve it. Get out of my video. Boom. There you have it. Completed. 4x4, 3x3. I'm nervous. I'm about to quit my job.